Learning a language can be quite cumbersome, especially if the language in question has no connection whatsoever with your native language. However, it has been scientifically proven that learning a new language improves one's memories by making you mentally alert and warding off the possibilities of acquiring any kind of memory disorder in the future. Welcome to part 2 of the use of the present tense and the present progressive tenses in Nigerian Pidgin English. This is BDNP, breaking down Nigerian Pidgin English. My name is Bafo. Let's set the ball rolling with the simple present. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. In Nigerian Pidgin English, unlike the English language, to form a sentence in the simple present, the subject will always go along with the present tense marker de, followed by the verb. Look at this sample conjugation in both languages. I work, I dey walk. You work, you dey walk. He or she works, he or she dey walk. We work, we dey walk. You walk, una dey walk. They work, then they walk. The above conjugation applies to all the verbs mentioned earlier, or whatever verb that you decide to use in the sentence. Let us see complete examples in the affirmative, negative, and question forms in the simple present in both languages. Affirmative. Tony lives at K2. Tony dey live for K2. We go to church every Sunday. We dey go church every Sunday. She gives her daughter allowance regularly. She dey give her daughter alawi regularly. To form a negative sentence in English, in the simple present, the auxiliary verb do in the negative, which is doesn't for the third person singular and don't for all other subjects, has to be introduced in the sentence. Don't and doesn't in the simple present means the negation marker no dey in Nigerian Pidgin English. Let's look at some negative examples. She no dey work for weekends. She doesn't work on weekends. They no dey like sleep late. Or they no dey like to sleep late. In Nigerian Pidgin English, the inclusion of the infinitive is a choice thing. Like in the examples I gave a couple of minutes ago, they no dey like sleep late. Using the infinitive, I said they no dey like to sleep late. Now let's go to the question form. The question form in the simple present is slightly different. The English form also introduces the auxiliary verb do to the questions, like, do you eat bread every morning? You dey eat bread every morning. Where does he work? Where he dey work? Does it work? He dey walk? Another way to ask questions in Nigerian Pidgin English is by using the base form of the verb directly after the subject without including the marker de. Check out the following examples. We know her. Do we know her? You get moto. Do you have a car? Remember, the verb have is get in Nigerian Pidgin English. They like fish. Do they like fish? Now let's go to the present continuous. The present continuous, also referred to as present progressive in English, is used to talk about activities at the moment of speaking. its form and structures are exactly the same with the simple present in Nigerian Pidgin English. The sentence, I dey walk, can mean I work and I am working. I can say, for example, I dey walk every day, simple present. I dey walk, call me later. I'm working now, call me later, present progressive tense. In a nutshell, the ing form of verbs do not exist in Nigerian Pidgin English. Check out these examples. I dey leave work now. I'm leaving work now. We cannot say I dey leaving work now. No. More examples. The children dey sleep. The kids are sleeping. Rosa dey watch TV. Rosa is watching TV. These examples are structured in the same way as the simple present tense in Nigerian Pidgin English. This simply means that you can use the simple present and present continuous tenses interchangeably in Nigerian Pidgin English. This is the grammatically simplified means of communication that Nigerian Pidgin English allows. Ladies and gentlemen, viewers, we've come to yet another end of this program. Sad to say, but we have to draw the curtain. Tell you what though, if you have any question whatsoever, feel free to send me a message in the comment section and I'll be glad, more than glad to respond to your questions. Stay safe, stay healthy, keep it locked on BDNP, breaking down Nigerian Pidgin English. My name remains Bafo. Peace is in. Bye.